In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a rear door panel on a Honda CR-V, which is located on the inside of the rear door. Here you have your inside door panel that needs to be removed. You have a panel up here. You can just take a panel removing tool, pull straight out towards you. Put that off to the side. Then you have a Phillips screw that's underneath this little panel right here. Next you have a panel right here that pops straight out towards you. Has two Phillips screws. You need to remove those. And after you remove those two screws, this panel needs to pop out straight towards you. Take your plastic tool, stick it behind there. You can take this. This will pop it straight out. And it goes all the way around to the other side. Lift up and out. Behind here where the two cables hook onto your door panel, you have to remove those. There's a white clip. Grab a regular screwdriver and pull outwards. Like that, so it slides. Take your cable out. And then it comes out of its holder over there. Same thing on the bottom. It's a black clip. Swing that out. Swing the cable down. Swing that over. Now you have your wires for your power window switch. There's a button on the side of it here that you can push down and then pull outwards. Now it's time to put your cables in. Bottom cable in first, loop it in. Put it in its holder. Swing this over. Clip that in. Same thing for the top. Put it in its holder. Clip it in, swing that white piece around, clip that in. Now it's time for your connector for your window switch. Make sure you hear that click. Install it onto the top of the door first. Push down, push forward for all those clips. You have 3 screws, 2 that match that have this shoulder on it. Those 2 go to here. This one goes down there. Cover back on, push down. Take your 2 screws, they have that shoulder piece. Those into your handle. Put your cover back on. And then last you have this cover right here. There's a little tab right here. Goes into the hole.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.